went very close to this buying zone but did not completed this final leg because the buying zone was starting from $16.83 and it went down up to $16.92. Therefore, I'm also leaving this chart and moving to the next one. Then we had the next NKN token, and that was the bullish cipher pattern I shared on 15th of March. And this is a link for the chart. And on the daily time frame chart, I was expecting that this cipher pattern will be completed, and the price action did not complete the final leg. Therefore, I'm just moving to the next one, and that is the Juventus token, and this is a link for the chart. And this was the formation of the bullish Carly pattern. It was completing the final leg, and you can see that as predicted, it moved in this buying zone and moved to the upside and hit the sell zone. And now we have 24 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades so far at the mid of March. The next one is Beam Coin. And this is the link for the chart. And this was also a small time period 4-hour chart. I was expecting that it will complete the final leg of the bullish shark. I'm just going to play this chart. Okay, let's see what happened. The price action did not complete the final leg and turned bullish. The next one is Reef Token, my favorite one. And this was also on the daily time frame chart. I was expecting that it will complete the final leg of the bullish cipher. And I was expecting up to 54.5% bullish rally. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish cipher here and moved to the upside and hit the sell zone. Now we have 25 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades so far. This is the video, this is also video, and this was the AC Milan token. And this is the link for the chart of AC Milan. It completed the final leg of the bullish Carly and it was moving in the buying zone. Now after playing this chart, you can see that the price action here moved to the upside but did not hit the sell zone. It went very close to this level and finally broke down this leg. Now we have 3 unsuccessful trades. This is another unsuccessful or failed idea. The next is Dodo token. I shared on 16th of March. And this was the formation of the bullish cipher, another bullish cipher on the small time period 4-hour chart. And I was expecting up to 25% bullish rally once the price action will complete the final leg. I've played this chart and let's see what happened. The price action did not complete the final leg and move to the upside. Therefore, I'm also leaving this trade. And the next one is Binance Coin. And here I was expecting the final leg of the bullish cipher, another bullish cipher move on the daily time frame chart. The price action was in fact completing the final leg of the bullish cipher on the daily time frame. And you can see that the price action completed this bullish cipher here, move up to this level and turn really very strong bullish. Now we have 26 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. Then we have the White Token. It was completing another bullish shark pattern, and this was the link for the chart. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action completed this shark move. Did not complete the final leg. Went very close to this buying zone and moved to the upside. Therefore, I'm also leaving this chart. That was really very close. Then I shared another trade of SRM on 16th of March. And here I was expecting another final leg of the bullish shark pattern, like the Ethereum completed the previous bullish shark pattern we have seen at the starting of this video. And this was a chart. We can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish shark, even hit a spike beyond this potential reversal zone and moved to the upside. Now we have 27 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades so far. Okay, this is the video, and this was a reminder for my patrons that these trades are ready. You can buy these assets within the buying zone, and this is the next one is AVA token, and it was completing the final leg of the bullish cipher on the 4-hour time frame chart. And in fact, it completed this final leg of the bullish cipher, and I was expecting a move to the upside from here. And you can see that the price action turned really, really strong bullish, again entered in the buying zone, and again rallied to the upside. Now we have 28 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. Now we have another formation of bullish cipher on the weekly time frame by the Zcash. This was my favorite trade. I shared on 18th of March. Now we can see that the price action turned bullish. Let me show you again. The price action was moving in the buying zone here, and it has hit the sell zone, and I'm expecting that it will move more up from here. So now we have 29 successful trades. Then we have another Reef token with Bitcoin pair trade, and this was another formation of the bullish shark. And this is the link for the chart. On the daily time frame, it was completing the final leg of the bullish shark, and the price action did not complete the final leg. The pattern is invalidated, therefore I'm also leaving this one and moving to the next one was XMR, my favorite one for trading. This was also another formation of the bullish Gartley on the daily time frame with the Bitcoin pair. After playing this chart, we can see that the price action is turning bullish at this time. It is still moving in the buying zone. Did not hit the sell zone so far. Okay, next one is Near Protocol. And it was completing, completed the final leg of the bullish Gartley pattern on the 4-hour chart. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action even moved more down inside this buying zone and turned bullish. Now we have 30 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. After Near, we have the E-Gold. That was the formation of the Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame chart. Okay, it was just entered in the buying zone. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned bullish and hit the sell zone here. So now we have 31 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades so far. The next one is Coco's. And here the price action completed the final leg of the bullish Gartley pattern. And this chart was the 4-hour time frame. Now after playing this chart, you can see that the price action turned really strong bullish and hit the sell zone. Now we have 32 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. The next one is, these are the videos. This is the chart, the FIRO coin. And this is the link for the chart. It was another bullish Gartley pattern on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, here we can see that the price action completed this final leg and moved to the upside. So now we have 33 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. The next one is Ethereum. It formed the bat pattern, and I think it was 12-hour chart. Yes, it was a 12-hour chart. The price action just completed the final leg and entered in the buying zone. We had the 1, 2, 3, 4th candlestick in the buying zone. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action turned bullish and hit the sell zone here and moved down. Now we have 34 successful trades. After that, we have NULS token, NULS coin, Nulls coin. And this was also 4-hour time frame bullish cipher pattern. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned really strong bullish. See the price action first hit the sell zone, move down, and another rally. Now we have 35 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. The next one is, these are the videos, and this one is, the next one is XVS. And this was another formation of the bullish Gartley pattern on the 4-day chart. This was a bit long term. And after playing the chart, we can see that price action turned really strong bullish on the 4-day time frame. Now we have 36 successful trades. After that, we have another trade of MTV. Okay, this is the link for chart.